On the morning of September 3, 2025, SpaceX launched another batch of 28 Starlink satellites into orbit, pushing their mega-constellation even closer to its goal of global coverage. But this wasn't just another routine launch, it was part of an incredible 24-hour space saga. The Falcon 9 rocket took off from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station at precisely 7:56 a.m. EDT, sending 28 Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit. But here's the kicker, this liftoff came just over 8 hours after another SpaceX launch from California. Just the night before, SpaceX launched 24 Starlink satellites from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. These dual launches are a part of SpaceX's ambitious plan to expand their Starlink network at breakneck speed. Starlink 1022 was the 113th mission of 2025 for SpaceX, a testament to their relentless pace. After liftoff, the Falcon 9's first stage booster B-1083 performed a flawless main engine cutoff and stage separation just 2.5 minutes after launch. And it wasn't just the launch that went smoothly. In an impressive demonstration of reusable rocket technology, B-1083 successfully touched down on SpaceX's drone ship just 6 minutes after liftoff. Here it is, the first stage of the Falcon 9 booster standing tall after a successful landing on the Atlantic Ocean. This marks another milestone in SpaceX's mission to reduce launch costs and increase reusability. With this latest launch, SpaceX's Starlink constellation now totals over 8,100 satellites. These satellites provide global internet coverage, connecting people across the world with low-latency, high-speed internet. From rural areas to bustling cities, Starlink is changing the way we access the internet. And SpaceX isn't slowing down. This launch is just one of 5 Starlink missions scheduled for this week alone. As SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of space exploration and satellite technology, one thing is clear. They are revolutionizing global connectivity, one launch at a time. Don't forget to subscribe for more space exploration updates and keep your eyes on the skies for the next big SpaceX mission. Don't forget to subscribe for more space exploration updates and keep your eyes on the skies for the next big SpaceX mission.